Hey guys, I want to explain two features you can use while you're in a trade to really help you within MyTradingBuddy. So if you saw yesterday, for example, I'm gonna turn off the voice. There was a new feature called Screenshot Trade. And so you'll just do this, you'll take a screenshot. Right now I'm taking a top step challenge, so I'll just take that and then I'll analyze it. And to save you guys time, I did one right here. And then in about 30 seconds we'll get a breakdown. But you're sending in that and you are going to basically get a breakdown like this, showing your current trade, you know, what levels, where you should potentially change your take profit to, because obviously there's a resistance at 615 right now, where you need to know like the floor. So if 558 breaks right now, I have to be very careful. 545 could go down for that session low. If the session low breaks, it could go down to 520. And you can read all this information, like I need to watch 588, see what happens. This 613 is a critical or warning level because there was a lot of selling there previously when London had opened up. And then yeah, obviously 558. So if I scroll down, yeah, it sees my current trade, you know, good position, blah, 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 holding. So it still recommends to hold. I move the stop loss, keep stop as is, take profit. It doesn't like my take profit, which pretty much was way up there on buy side because it sees this area as like the order block, etc. So you can read this while you're in trade. Just quickly come here, take a screenshot of the chart you're viewing, and then wait 30 seconds, get a full breakdown, analyze it like this. Okay, I know if this breaks, I'm kind of screwed because it goes to 520. If it obviously holds, etc. So if you saw previous videos, what we're trying to do is take a lot of screenshots and talk with the AI within the chat, really know what is going on, and then you decide to take a trade. Okay, now you're in a trade. You can use the screenshot trade right here to, you know, check, okay, what should I do with this trade, etc. And this voice feature has always been there. I'll just explain how you can use this as well. So you're gonna come down here to the bottom left, push voice. Voice has been there for a long time. It's going to connect me with the AI agent. Hello?
Hello there. I'm here, ready to help with your trading. What's on your mind today? Looking at those long positions, perhaps?
And this right here is the mute in the bottom left-hand side, so I'm not talking. I shared my screen, which is this top step challenge right here, and I have to be careful because 558 might break, but I'll explain in a second. Yes, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen clearly. It looks like you're on the 5-minute chart for micro NASDAQ futures, and you have that long position open. Anything specific you'd like to discuss about it right now?
Yeah, what should I do? What happens if this level breaks right now, 558?
Well, if 558 breaks, the next major support we're watching is around 27,545. If price goes below that, it could invalidate the bullish thesis for this trade. Your stop is at 27,536.75, so you're protected there. For now, I'd keep an eye on how price reacts to these levels. Are you considering adjusting your stop?
Yeah, I'm considering, should I enter in more right now, or do you think it will go back down?
Looking at the chart, price is consolidating a bit at this level, so entering more here might increase your risk unnecessarily. It could pull back a bit further before continuing higher, possibly retesting those recent lows. I'd suggest waiting to see if you get a clear bounce off the support area or a break above that 27,588 resistance to confirm the upward momentum is resuming. Patience might pay off here. What do you think about that approach?
Yeah, so based on my screen right now, like, can you see where my take profit is and where potentially the next resistance would be?
I don't see a take profit level currently marked on your chart unless you've placed it above the visible range.
Yeah. So please refresh and try to see if you can see my take profit.
Okay, I see you've added a take profit level now. It's set around 27,646.50. That's in line with the previous session high, which is a solid target. As for resistance before that, the price needs to clear that 27,588 range, and then 27,613 would be that next big cluster. Are you planning on managing the trade once it hits those levels?
Yeah, so when it goes up, 588 and 613 is where I need to watch out for. Also, on this 5-minute chart, can you see any order blocks?
That's right. Those are the key levels to monitor. Looking at the 5-minute chart, I do see a potential bearish order block just above your first resistance point, around 27,625 to 650. That's where we saw that strong selling pressure earlier. There's also a bullish order block down near the entry zone, supporting the current bounce. Knowing those levels can help you anticipate where price might stall or reverse. Does that make sense for your plan?
Yeah, that makes sense. And can you tell me the current buy side and sell side liquidity within the liquidity map?
Sure. The current buy-side liquidity is clustered around 27,643.5, near those recent highs, while sell-side liquidity is sitting below the current lows at around 27,556.25. Price tends to be drawn towards these areas, so they're good places to look for reactions. Is that helping you visualize the current playing field?
Yeah, that is. Thank you. And what's my psychology checklist?
Your pre-trade emotional checklist from the plan is very simple. Just asking yourself, am I calm and focused? It's all about making sure you're in the right headspace before executing. How are you feeling right now with this trade running?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you.
Great to hear.
So yeah, in short, that's how you're going to use the voice. I just turned it off real quick. But you could share the screen and it can see your current trade. It can give you suggestions like what to do. Obviously, you saw it knows all the data within the chat. It knows your trading plan. You can ask it questions. It knows your screen. Sometimes you will have to refresh or ask the AI to repeat something it says or whatever. It's not perfect, especially if you have a small screen. Like, you just have to make sure the numbers are right. But it will help you a lot on managing your trade. So we have the two features of screenshot trade and using the voice and sharing the screen of your trade, for example, which I just did. So if you like this and you want to start using AI to really help you become a better trader, you can sign up at MyTradingBuddy AI to get started.